If you find yourself logged out of your Venmo account, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Open a Venmo app. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. This information will be used to send you a verification code or link. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter this code in the app to verify your identity and proceed to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to finalize the recovery process. Now that you have successfully recovered your account, you can log in and continue using Venmo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for further assistance.